Grow thyme like a pro, a beginner's guide. Want to add a touch of fragrant magic to your garden and kitchen? Thyme is your answer. This hardy herb is incredibly easy to grow, even if you're a complete beginner. Get ready to unlock the secrets to cultivating your own thriving thyme patch. Did you know there's more than one type of thyme? Each variety offers unique flavors and uses. Let's explore some popular choices. Common thyme is a culinary staple. Its classic flavor is perfect for soups, stews, and roasted meats. Lemon thyme offers a delightful citrusy twist. It's fantastic in teas, desserts, and even cocktails. Creeping thyme is a low-growing ground cover. It releases a wonderful fragrance when you walk on it. You can start thyme from seeds or starter plants. Starter plants offer a head start and are often easier for beginners. When choosing starter plants, look for healthy, vibrant green foliage. Avoid plants that look wilted or have yellowing leaves. Proper planting is crucial for a thriving thyme plant. Let's get our hands dirty. Thyme thrives in well-draining soil. This prevents root rot and ensures healthy growth. For container planting, use a potting mix specifically designed for herbs. These mixes provide the right nutrients and drainage. If planting outdoors, choose a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Thyme loves sunshine. If your soil is heavy clay, amend it with compost or sand. This will improve drainage and aeration. Space your thyme plants about 12 inches apart. This allows for good air circulation and prevents overcrowding. Dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball of your thyme plant. Gently loosen the roots before placing it in the hole. Backfill the hole with soil and gently pat it down. Water thoroughly after planting to settle the soil. The best part about thyme? It's incredibly low maintenance. Thyme is drought tolerant and doesn't need frequent watering. Water only when the soil is dry to the touch. Overwatering is a common mistake that can lead to root rot. Avoid soggy soil at all costs. Thyme needs at least 6-8 hours of direct sunlight per day. This ensures strong growth and flavorful leaves. If growing thyme indoors, place it in a sunny window. A grow light can also supplement natural light. Regular pruning is essential for bushier growth. Don't be afraid to trim your thyme. After flowering, trim back the stems by about 1/3. This encourages new growth and prevents the plant from becoming leggy. Thyme doesn't need much fertilizer. Over-fertilizing can actually reduce its flavor. A light feeding in the spring is usually sufficient. Use a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength. Harvesting thyme is easy and rewarding. Fresh thyme adds incredible flavor to your dishes. You can start harvesting thyme once the plants are established. This is usually a few weeks after planting. Use scissors to snip off stems, leaving a few inches of growth. This allows the plant to continue growing. The best time to harvest thyme is in the morning after the dew has dried. This is when the oils are most concentrated. To dry thyme, hang the stems upside down in a cool, dry place. Once dried, crumble the leaves and store them in an airtight container. Thyme is generally resistant to pests and diseases. However, a few problems can arise. Root rot is a common issue caused by overwatering. Ensure well-draining soil to prevent this. Aphids and spider mites can occasionally infest thyme plants. These pests suck the sap from the leaves. To prevent root rot, avoid overwatering and ensure good drainage. Amend heavy soil with compost or sand. If you notice aphids or spider mites, use insecticidal soap. Follow the instructions on the label carefully. Growing thyme at home is easy, rewarding, and adds a touch of magic to your garden and kitchen. From selecting the right variety to harvesting its fragrant leaves, you're now equipped with the knowledge to cultivate your own thriving thyme patch. Now it's your turn. Get out there, plant some thyme, and enjoy the fresh flavors and aromas. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips, and leave a comment below to share your thyme growing experiences. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening! Check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to elevate your gardening game.